You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? A very, very interesting word, and I know many people get confused by it, but shouldn't be really. The pronunciation is pretty straightforward. So let's learn how to pronounce it. In English, it's simply said how to pronounce keg. Let's break it down. There's only one syllable, so you need to stress on that single syllable. Keg. It's an sound, alright? It's not keg, it's not kag. Keg. Keg. How to pronounce keg. It's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.